Welcome back. This is Tim. Today we're going to look at how to create a SharePoint Hub Site. The first thing you're going to do is go to SharePoint from Office 365. And we're going to create a site that we'll use as our hub site. I like to use communication sites as the hub, but you can use a team site if you would like. So we're going to create this and we're going to call it 365 Strategy Guide Hub. All right, we'll go ahead and hit finish. All right, so now that we have our site, the next thing we're going to have to do involves a little bit of PowerShell. If you don't have it, you'll need to get the SharePoint Online Management Console. I'll link to that in the notes down below. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Here we go. Pull to this side of my screen. And we're going to do this just using two lines of code. The first one is connect to SPO service -URL, and then you'll put in HTTPS, and then you'll put your domain name -admin.sharepoint.com. So let's run that. Okay, it's going to ask for my credentials. Okay, so now we're connected. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to type in register SPO hub site -site. And then we will put in the URL of our site. So let's go back here. We've got our new communication site. We'll grab the URL. Back to our code. We'll grab that. Put that in the SharePoint Management Console. And right here, it's going to ask you for a value. You don't need to enter one. You can just hit the enter key again. And there you go. You've got a hub site. So now let's go look. If we go back to SharePoint. And we go to create site. And we'll do a team site. And we'll call this one human resources. All right, this group is available. We'll hit next. At this time, we won't add any additional owners or members. We'll just hit finish. So now if you go up here to the gear and go to site information, you can see it asks you for your hub site association. And we're going to pick that 365 Strategy Guide Hub. Hit save. And you can see that this site is now part of the 365 Strategy Guide Hub. And if you go back to the hub site that we created, you can now go to hub site settings, be able to upload a picture that will carry across all the sites, and change the name if you'd like. If you make any changes to the look of the page, it will also carry you over to all of the subpages.